Tilly the turtle wants to eat a big lunch with his forest friends. Tilly the turtle sees that his forest friends are eating green broccoli trees. Tilly the turtle feels afraid because the broccoli looks strange and bumpy. Tilly the turtle went to another table. He does not want to try the broccoli. Tilly the turtle takes a deep breath and looks at the broccoli. Tilly the turtle takes one teeny nibble of a broccoli tree. Suddenly, Tilly the turtle feels very surprised and happy. The broccoli is crunchy and yummy for Tilly the turtle. Tilly the turtle feels excited for more broccoli. Tilly the turtle learns that trying new foods is a wonderful adventure for Tilly the turtle.